Students, how are you? Today we discussion about CBSE Grade 12 Physics paper style. Everybody wants to do smart work. Smart work. You want to do smart work, so you have basic information about it. Here, exam CBSE exam paper. Its paper style. It's a basic information. So every students know about paper style means basic information. In this paper style, we discuss on 2 points. First is how many type question asking in this paper, and second, how many weightage for every chapter related marks. Now look here, CBSE grade 12 physics CBSE exam paper style paper code. We discuss on paper code 55/1/1. Now in this paper 70 marks and 37 question asking. There are first 1 mark very short question answer. There are 3 types. First is called MCQ based, second is called filling the blanks, and third is called answer, question answer, short question answer. Now 2 marks short question answer. Here 1 marks, so 20 question asking. Now 2 marks, 7 question asking. 3 marks, 7 question asking. 5 marks, 3 question asking in this paper. Now we discuss on chapter wise marking weightage. First of all, in this paper style, there are 9 units. Unit 1, Unit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now Unit 1, Chapter 1, Electric Charge and Fields. There are 1 mark, 1 question asking. 5 marks, 1 question asking. Chapter 2, Electrostatic Potential and Capacitance. 1 mark, 1 question. 2 mark, 1 question asking. Unit 2, Chapter 3, Current Electricity. In this chapter, 1 mark, 2 question. 2 mark, 1 question. 3 mark, 1 question. Total Unit 1 and 2, 16 marks asking here. In this Unit 1 and 2, 1 mark, 4 question asking. 2 mark, 2 question asking. 3 mark, 1 question asking. And 5 mark, 1 question asking. Now we discuss on Unit 3. Unit 3, there are 2 chapters, Chapter 4, Chapter 5. Chapter 4, Moving Charges and Magnetism. 1 mark, 2 question in this chapter asking. 2 mark, 1 question. 3 mark, 1 question. And 5 mark, 1 question. It is optional. Star means optional. Now chapter number 5, its name is Magnetism and Matter. In this chapter, 1 mark, 1 question. Now Unit 4, there are 2 chapters, Chapter 6, 7. In Chapter 6, Electromagnetic Induction. In this chapter, 1 mark, 2 question asking. and 5 mark one question asking. It is an optional question. Now chapter number 7, alternating current. Here 3 mark one question asking. In unit 3 and 4, 18 marks asking, 1 mark 5 question asking, 2 mark 1 question asking, 3 mark 2 question asking, and 5 mark 2 question. Both are optional. Discussion unit 5 and unit 6. Unit 5, there are chapter number 8, electromagnetic waves. Now in this chapter, 3 mark 1 question asking. Unit 6, chapter number 9, ray optics and optical instruments. In this chapter, 1 mark 4 question, 2 mark 1 question, it is optional, 5 mark 1 question. Chapter number 10, wave optics. In this chapter, 2 mark 1 question, it is optional, 3 mark 1 question asking. Unit 5 and 6, there are 70 marks asking in this chapter. 1 mark 4 question, 2 mark 2 question, both are optional, 3 mark 2 question, and 5 mark 1 question. Now we discuss on unit 7 and unit 8. Chapter 11, dual nature of radiation and matter. In this chapter, 2 marks compulsory, 1 mark question, 2 it's compulsory, and 1 question optional. 2 mark 1 question, it is optional because here star. Now unit number 8, chapter 12, atoms. 1 mark 1 question, it is compulsory, and 1 question, it is optional. 2 mark 1 question, it is optional. Now chapter number 13, it's called nuclei. Here 1 mark 2 question, it is optional, 2 mark 1 question asking here, and 3 mark 1 question asking. Here unit 6, 7 and 8, so there are total marks 12 marks asking, 3 question compulsory, 1 mark, and 4 question optionally for a 1 mark. 2 mark 1 question compulsory and 2 question optionally. 3 mark 1 question compulsory. Unit number 9, chapter number 14, semiconductor electronics, material device design, simple circuit. So here 1 mark 2 question asking, 2 mark 1 question asking, 3 mark 1 question asking. In this unit, total 7 mark asking here. Now total 70 marks here for a 1 mark. So 18 question compulsory and 4 question it's optional. 18 plus 2 this 20 question compulsory. We take here 2 mark. So here compulsory question 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and optionally 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 question optional. Means 5 plus 2, 7 question asking 2 marks. 3 mark per year, 7 question, both are compulsory asking. 5 marks, 1, 2. 2 question compulsory and 2 question optional. Miss 2 plus 1, 3 question compulsory. In this way, 27 plus 7 plus 7 plus 3. The 37 question asking for a 70 marks. Now this is the basic information for a CBSE grade 12 physics exam papers. I hope it is very helpful to you for a study. Thank you.